his letters so much, Triggs. All those cool adventures.
All those exciting places he's been to.
Look, I'm sure the letter will arrive when it'll arrive.
One thing's for sure, Maddie. Staring at the front door waiting for the postman to knock isn't going to make it arrive any sooner.
Wanna bet? Oh, Mr. Postman, I've got a letter. We're expecting one from Uncle George. He's got the best tales ever. Oh, Mr. Postman, it's so exciting. He tells us all the places that he's been, all the things that he's seen. Keeps me on the edge of my seat. It's better than make-believe. I think I hear the postman coming now.
Oh, Maddie, it's the door.
Triggs, that's him. That's the postman.